In this video, I'll show you how to create a poll on Discord mobile. So open up the channel that you'd like to create the poll in, and in the bottom left, press the plus icon just beside the gaming controller. You'll see you have the option for a poll. Press that, and then you simply type your question along with your answers. So you can press add another answer if you want more, and you can press the bin to the right if you want to remove answers. You can also set the duration of the poll to last up to 2 weeks, and then you can tap to allow multiple answers. So when you've done that, you simply press post in the top right. So you need to fill in your answers, obviously, and then post. So that's how to create a poll on Discord mobile. Thank you for watching.